What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to part 2 of my Recycling Center PC build. I had everything set up and Ubuntu installed in here for about a few days now. I just didn't have the time to make a video about it, but now today I'm going to show you what's going on. Everything seems to be working great. I haven't figured out the Wi-Fi situation yet. I had a Wi-Fi dongle, but it seems not to work with Ubuntu, so I'm not sure about that. So I have it just connected to my router directly in the back. That's how I get the internet. But yeah, let's just get on with the boot up. Show you guys what it looks like. Okay, let's get started with the boot up. There's the BIOS splash screen. There we go, Ubuntu. Okay, let's type in my password. I'm supposedly running the most current version of Ubuntu right now. Take a tad bit to get into this the desktop. It may be because of the amount of RAM I have. I only got 2 gigs. I should be upgrading it to 4 gigs soon, just to give it that extra speed boost. I would assume, just because a lot of the operating systems today demand far greater than 2 gigs of memory. So let's click on Firefox, boot that up, see if this is a decent web browsing computer. That's what I mainly built it for. I basically built this computer for near to nothing. The only thing that really cost me anything was that power supply, old gaming power supply. So we're gonna see how YouTube runs on this computer. Alright, let's go to YouTube. Just because I don't want to have copyright problems, I'm gonna look up one of my own videos. There I am. On that. YouTube, it's me. Okay.
Summer is here, and so are the savings. And what better way to start summer?
So far, it looks like everything's working great.
It's our stars and...
Before we go any further, I want to mention that I did not download any drivers or plugins for this computer yet. I haven't really tinkered with it at all, for that matter. So this is running all on stock installation. So everything seems to be running right out of the box, or right out of the installation, you would say. So let's see how it looks.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to California Beer Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at a socket.
Okay. We got it running at 720p at full screen. Doesn't seem to have any shuddering or any skip frames. Well, it shouldn't. It's running on the Sandy Bridge architecture, which has either the Intel HD or HD 2000. I'm not quite sure what comes with this specific chipset, because it's Intel based, but it should be completely capable of running HD video, which just seems like it's not having a problem at all at this moment.
You can see right there, got a nice big white foamy head. Got a kind of a golden color to it. Yeah.
Let's try to open up multiple windows, see how that goes.
Color going on there. It's beginning to dissipate kind of quick.
A little slow.
So let's go with the smell.
Things are taking a while to pop.
Grains. Smell a lot of grains in here. It almost smells like a Budweiser to me. So yeah, you see the head is almost completely gone now.
Yeah.
So it dissipates pretty
Computer's
quickly.
beginning to slow down now.
So let's go on.
You see it's taking a while for things to boot up. Even the mouse just lagged a tiny bit, so seems like the audio from, I don't know, never mind, the audio's still running on the other video, but
Very grainy.
or I should say the video.
But then you get like a malty
But
flavor.
yeah, look, it started to lag right there. I couldn't move my
And
mouse.
it hops at
Oh,
the end.
lagged out.
It actually, when it hits your mouth, when it really gets onto the palate, you get hit with this like bite. And then once you swallow it, you got kind of like a.
So yeah, definitely
taste to it. So,
I will have to upgrade this to at least 4 gigabytes of RAM in the near future,
as you
because as you can see, it is slowing down, lagging a bit. I cannot run multiple windows at the same time. I think it's all mainly restrictions from the RAM itself. If I bring this up to 4, I think I would see a huge difference. I ideally would want to bring it up to 8, but I don't think I'll be able to find 8 gigs for a cheap price, especially dual 4 gigabyte sticks. But for the most part, it does what I want it to do, and it cost me next to nothing, like I was saying. But that's all I really got for today, YouTube. Until next time, thanks for watching.